Revolut Review: Pros, Cons, and What's New. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to give you a complete review of Revolut in 2025, covering its pros, cons, and what's new this year. So if you're thinking about using Revolut or just curious about its latest features, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. We're not just going to skim the surface today. We're diving deep into how Revolut actually performs on a day-to-day basis, both for personal users and business customers. First things first, let's quickly talk about what Revolut really is. Revolut is what's known as a neobank, meaning it's a digital-first financial service that operates entirely online, without physical branches. The goal is to replace traditional banking experiences with something faster, sleeker, and far more convenient. Launched back in 2015 with a focus on travel money and currency exchange, Revolut has grown massively over the last decade. Now, in 2025, it has evolved into a full-scale financial powerhouse. We're talking about features like personal and business accounts, premium metal cards, crypto trading, stock investing, travel insurance, credit products, and way more, all packed into one app. Right now, let's hop over to their official website, Revolut.com, so you can scroll through their latest offerings with me. The first thing you'll probably notice, and something that really stood out to me, is the platform's super sleek and modern design. The interface feels fast, intuitive, and beautifully clean. From setting up an account, ordering your card, to managing daily finances, the whole process can be done in just a few taps. Honestly, when compared to most traditional banking apps, Revolut's user experience is far ahead, and that alone gives it a big advantage. Now, let's dive into the pros. First big advantage: multi-currency accounts. Revolut allows you to hold, receive, and spend in multiple currencies, all from one account. There's no need to open separate bank accounts in different countries. It's all handled digitally. This is a huge benefit if you're someone who travels frequently, works internationally, or runs a global freelance or remote business. You can seamlessly switch between currencies like euros, USD, GBP, and more, all at highly competitive exchange rates. This flexibility makes Revolut an incredibly powerful tool for managing international transactions. Second major benefit: low-cost international transfers. Revolut offers fast and inexpensive money transfers across borders. All you have to do is create your account, top it up, and you're ready to send or receive payments globally. Their exchange rates are very close to the real mid-market rates, which means you're not getting ripped off like with traditional banks or outdated services. Transfers, especially within Europe and the UK, are blazingly fast, sometimes reaching the recipient within seconds. This makes it ideal for freelancers, expats, and business owners who rely on timely international payments. You hear me? We're not talking minutes here. We're talking seconds. Let's now take a look at what you get when you upgrade to one of Revolut's premium plans, like Premium, Metal, or Ultra. Just head over to their pricing page and you'll see a full breakdown of benefits. When you choose a paid plan, you're unlocking a whole world of extras. We're talking travel insurance, airport lounge access, cashback on card payments, early salary access, and even exclusive lifestyle discounts. If you're someone who travels frequently or makes a lot of global transactions, these perks can start to pay for themselves pretty quickly. It's one of the biggest reasons people move from the free tier to premium. The added value is actually worth it for many. Next up, Revolut's built-in investing feature. This is something I find super exciting. You can now invest in stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and even commodities like gold and silver, all within the same app you use for banking. You can start with as little as $1, making it super beginner-friendly. Now, sure, it's not as advanced as a dedicated trading platform, but for casual investors or people just starting out, it's a powerful and easy-to-use feature. Having it integrated directly into your financial dashboard is incredibly convenient. Now that we've gone through the highlights, let's shift gears and talk about the downsides, because no platform is perfect, and Revolut does have its share of issues. First drawback: limited features on the free plan. While Revolut's basic account is technically free, many of its best features are locked behind paywalls. For example, if you want higher ATM withdrawal limits, priority customer support, travel perks, or access to airport lounges, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, which can cost anywhere from $10 to $70 per month, depending on the tier. So, while the free version is solid for basic use, anyone needing more will likely find themselves needing to pay up. Second con: Limited customer support on free plans. This one is a common complaint, and I've experienced it too. If you're on the free version, getting timely support from an actual human can be tough. Often, you're stuck dealing with chatbots first, and it can take a while before you're escalated to a real agent. This is incredibly frustrating when you're dealing with sensitive financial issues, especially when your money's on the line. And finally, a more serious concern, account freezing. There have been numerous user reports of Revolut accounts being unexpectedly frozen or flagged for security reviews. While this is often due to fraud protection measures, it can cause major stress, especially if funds are temporarily inaccessible and support is slow to respond. It's something to be aware of, especially if you're planning to use Revolut as your primary account or for handling large sums of money. You need to up your game, because Revolut definitely has. That said, let's get real about one of the major concerns: account freezing. Revolut is extremely strict when it comes to anti-fraud and anti-money laundering regulations. Sometimes that means user accounts are suddenly frozen for security reviews, and getting them unlocked can take days or even weeks. While this protects the platform's integrity, for the average user, it can feel scary and frustrating, especially if you rely on Revolut as your main bank account. Fourth issue, cash deposits and physical branch access are non-existent. Since Revolut isn't a traditional bank, it doesn't have any physical branches. That means you can't just walk in somewhere to make a cash deposit or speak with someone face-to-face if something goes wrong. This is a fully digital experience. While that's ideal for some, it can be a deal breaker for others. Fifth downside, limited crypto functionality. Yes, you can buy, sell, and hold crypto in Revolut, but you don't actually own the private keys to your assets. Revolut holds them for you. So if you're a hardcore crypto user, that lack of control might be frustrating. It's great for casual investing, but not for serious crypto enthusiasts who prefer full custody of their digital assets. So who is Revolut actually for? If you're someone who travels internationally, sends or receives money across borders, loves managing finances in one smart app, wants to invest casually without multiple platforms, isn't deep into crypto or cash-heavy business, prefers sleek, mobile-first banking, then Revolut is one of the best choices you can make right now. But if you're someone who runs a cash-heavy business, needs instant guaranteed customer support, feels uneasy without physical branches, think of it more like a powerful add-on to your traditional banking, especially valuable for entrepreneurs, freelancers, travelers, and digital nomads who know how to use it wisely. Thanks for hanging out with me for this full breakdown. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world guides, and drop a comment if you've got questions. I'm here to help.